I know what you're thinking right now. He screwed it up. I know that's what you're thinking. Now here, this is getting too big, so I just kind of touch it. Touch that one. And they'll kind of stop growing because you break the surface tension. This is too round here for me right there. So just touch it a little bit. Make it look like agate in there. Really, like, look at how that's really starting to set up. And it looks like you're just destroying it. I'm just pushing the limits to see how well this is gonna lay out too. One little drop will do. I'm gonna keep the recipe very simple, okay? I'm gonna do white metallic, I'm gonna do diamond dust, I'm gonna do black and white spray paint, and then I'll probably do like a little Calcutta look, and I'll do a little bit of metallic dark copper. I'm gonna keep this simple, no tape dam, no tilting the piece. I'm gonna do this as if I'm on site. Okay, here we go. So I'll dump some of that in there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of a wash coat. Okay, and the wash coat will help with adhesion as well. So I'm gonna fill up one of these little buckets here, and I'm gonna just tint it a little bit, okay? Just a touch of black dye. One drop, that's it. Okay, and let's go ahead and mix that in. Look at what one little drop will do. And I'm just gonna go through here and push this coating tight to the surface. And I'm just creating adhesion this way. I'm also giving it a wash coat to slip and slide over so I don't have surface tension that doesn't have a good bond. I'm just moving it around. It's leveling very good because it's fresh. It's not setting up yet. So I got plenty of time right now to get this to move around. So let's add some white spray paint to it, and then a little bit of black. So I did white and black in there, barely mixed it, and now I'm just gonna pour this out on the surface. That looks cool. That's pretty, man. I really like this horizontal look with this edge. Look at this, man. Look how that looks. I'm gonna mix that a little bit and just give myself a copper vein here. Gives it some color. I got alcohol and our metallics in here, and it's spraying kind of how I'd want it to. So I'm just gonna mist some right here. Let's see what that does. Yeah, there you go, so they could see what that's doing. As that levels out, it's going to change for me too. And now let's hit that with the silver again. That will create some lacing. That's what the white spray paint broken up with the alcohol looks like. Touch these spots that I don't like here. Okay, let's make that like connect now. And I'm just spraying that alcohol metallic. Now look at that, that will be like a, and I'll feather it out with some of that silver. Look at what that's doing there, man. Now here, this is getting too big, so I just kind of touch it. Touch that one. And they'll kind of stop growing because you break the surface tension. This is too round here for me right there. So just touch it a little bit. Make it look like agate in there. Okay, here we go.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Great comment!
Hey, we got a great comment from Ryan's Abstract Art. Are you guys using 4 by 8 foot MDF boards when you do these projects for demonstrations? We're using 7 foot by 2 foot boards for our bigger pieces and 18 by 12 inches for our smaller pieces. The one nice thing about doing sample boards out of epoxy is they're light and easy to transport, making it easy for you to do all the demos you want as well as home shows.
Okay, now I'm gonna just go right down here. And you could even take some of this that's on the deck and darken it up to match the top if you need to. I'm going to use the drips that fell off just to add some to that edge, and this is how you get a real natural edge. Bring some of this over. I like the rock edge because it's super forgiving, guys. It really makes it look realistic. See how I'm just adding color to that edge now? Really, like, look at how that's really starting to set up. And it looks like you're just destroying it. I'm just pushing the limits to see how well this is gonna lay out too. I'm scraping. So I'm getting most of that off the bottom there.
In this video, we just learned how to make white striated marble. And if you want to get a more in-depth look as well as tips and tricks on how to do this epoxy project for yourself, click this link right here. And if you want to keep watching more Stone Coat Countertops videos as inspiration for your next project, click this link right here. And from the Stone Coat Countertops team, you got this.